The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Ishares 20-year Treasury bond ETF with the ticker symbol TLT. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for TLT, and after getting that bounce back here in October 24th at the low $90 level, we saw a nice retracement back up because we were far away from the EMA and overextended. So we came back up to the $97, $98 level before seeing more selling to the downside. So I think there's a possibility that the trend has reestablished itself and we're going to see low prices. If I connect the swings, this is the downtrend channel. The lows of the channel is not really certain, so this could have been an overshoot, but since we've had a little double top take place right over here, this tells me that this is probably not an overshoot and traders are looking at this as just the bottom of the channel. Now if I extend the channel down, you can see that we're starting to see the selling take place once again. Very bearish stock because we're still below this weekly EMA and we're not getting above it, so we're going to be seeing low prices. Looks like we're coming back to fill in this gap. To fill in the gap is right at the 92.89 level, and we could probably come back down to these 52-week lows once again. Now we could bounce from there and go back up again to the $97, $98 level, maybe form some type of sideways range action. So that's another possibility. We could stop right here and just make another large leg up like we did in the past, and that would probably take us to the $100 level. But what is more likely to occur is probably just continuing lower to fill in this gap, reach the all-time lows of this down move, and probably even break it to reach the opposite side of this channel, because this market is really bearish and looking for anything bullish is not really advisable because it's just low probability. This was just the largest pullback we had recently in this entire down move since early August. So I'm thinking we're going to break those lows that were made just a few weeks ago at the 91.85 level. Probably going to break it and reach the high 80s. So that's what I see in the daily chart. Let's go and wrap it up on the weekly chart. And here we have the weekly chart for TLT. This week was red, last week was nice and green, but it's not really a good sign that we're seeing a red candle take place already. It looks like it's coming down to target below this green candle, but we are still overextended on the weekly chart, but we could stay overextended for a long duration. There is this downtrend channel in play too on the weekly chart. Connect the swings, this looks like it's fitting pretty good against the price action, and we came up just a tad short on this side of the channel, so maybe we're coming back down once again to see if we can touch this side of the channel before seeing some type of retracement back up. We can go and zoom out. There is strong support approaching at the high 80s, so that's where I think prices are going next before receiving some type of bounce. There's a nice strong support also at the all-time lows at the low 80s or $80 or the $81 level. There is a possible measured move target that could be reached, and with everything being as bearish as it is, I don't doubt that this could be hit one day. It is surprising, but it's not technically impossible. It's at the $74 level, so maybe that's going to be hit one day. We'll have to wait and see. As long as we don't have an uptrend, these targets are going to be remaining. First at the high 80s, 88, 89, then the low 80s at the 81, 82, and then this measure move target at the $74 level. And the way it's dropping this market, we could be reaching these targets fairly quickly. Possibly early next year, we reach this $74 target. if we continue in the way we are dropping. So TLT is still looking pretty bearish. I don't see anything stopping it from dropping. There is strong support approaching, but that could just be a short-term temporary bounce before seeing lower prices. So that's all I have for TLT for this week. I'll give you guys an update next week on the 12th. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video with your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time and bye.